What is up, math superstars? In this edition of Mr. Peterson Presents, we're going to talk about modeling fraction division. So here's our first problem. We're going to go ahead and model these two fractions. We have 1/2 divided by 1/8. And so in modeling fraction division, our first step is we're going to model 1/2. And so here we have two bars. Each bar has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 8 units wide. And so we need to now, let's go ahead and divide that in half to show how we can model 1/2. So there we go. So we just built a 1/2 model. So we're going to label this 1/2. And now the second step is we have our second fraction is 1/8. Let's go ahead and model 1/8 on the bar below. And so we know there's it's 8 units wide, and we just built a 1/8 model by drawing a rectangle here using only 1 unit out of the 8. And the question is, how many groups of 1/8 are there in 1/2? And so now we want to show how we can do 1/8 groups in our fraction 1/2. And so looking at the first model above the 1/2, let's go ahead now and make 1/8 groups. And so we know that our line is right there for 1/8. So we have one group we made, two groups we make, three groups of 1/8, and four groups of 1/8. And so our question, how many groups of 1/8 are there in 1/2? We can say there are 4 groups of 1/8 in 1/2. Let's go ahead and take a look at another model here. And so we're given this equation, 3/4 divided by 1/2. And so our top model is going to be 3/4, and our bottom model is going to be 1/2. So let's go ahead and show 3/4 at our top model here. So we know that is 3 units, 1, 2, 3 out of the 4. And let's go ahead and label 1/2. And so we have 4 units. When we divide in half, we're left with 2 units. So let's go ahead and make our 1/2 model at the bottom. And so the question is, how many groups of 1/2 are there in 3/4? And so let's go ahead and take a look at our 3/4 model. And let's go ahead and we can highlight where 1/2 is. So there's one group, and we have a remainder. And so with this, we know we have one group, and we have a remainder left here. So we have, when we compare both our models here, what the remainder is to the 1/2 model, we can tell that out of the 2 parts, which is the denominator, there's only one part left. So one part will be our numerator. So our answer here for fraction division, 3/4 divided by 1/2 equals one group of 1/2 in 3/4 with 1/2 left over. Thank you so much for watching this edition of Mr. Peterson Presents Modeling Fraction Division. And we're now going to take a look at some more examples in our student downloaded section.